Hi there, fellow foodies. Summer is just around the corner, and what better way to enjoy the warm weather than with fresh, delicious, and healthy summer season vegetables? And this video, I am going to show you five of my favorite summer vegetables that are perfect for your next cookout. Let's get started. First up, we have the classic summer vegetable, tomatoes. Nothing beats the taste of a ripe, juicy tomato straight from the garden. Tomatoes are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients like vitamin C and lycopene, which can help protect your skin from sun damage. Add some sliced tomatoes to your burgers, salads, or sandwiches for a burst of flavor and color. Next, we have bell peppers. These vibrant veggies come in a rainbow of colors, from red, yellow, and orange to green and purple. Bell peppers are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamin C, and oxidants. Grill them, stuff them, or chew them up for a fresh summer salsa. They are also a great source of crunch and texture in any dish. Third on our list are leafy greens. While they are available all year round, summer is the perfect time to enjoy fresh, tender greens like lettuce, arugula, and spinach. Greens are loaded with vitamins and minerals like folate and iron, which can help boost your energy levels and immune system. Wipe up a refreshing salad with your favorite greens and toppings and dress it with a light vinaigrette for a healthy and satisfying meal. Fourth, we have zucchini. This versatile veggie is a staple of summer cooking and can be used in a variety of dishes, from sautés and stir fries and frittatas and bread. Zucchini is low in calories but high in fiber, potassium, and vitamin C. Cut it into thin ribbons for a light and crispy salad, or grill it with some olive oil and herbs for a tasty side dish. Last but not least, we have corn on the cob. This quintessential summer vegetable is a must have at any cookout. Corn is a good source of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, and it's delicious when grilled, boiled, or roasted. Slather it with some butter and salt, or try it with some spicy mayo and grated cheese for a tasty twist. And there you have it, folks. Five fresh and delicious summer session vegetables that are perfect for your next cookout. Try them out and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes and foodie tips. Thanks for watching.